वृंदावन, यमुना नदी के किनारे, हरी भरी जमीन, गायें घास खा रही थीं, चिड़ियां गाने गा रही थीं, गोपियां अपने काम में लगी हुई थीं, माखन निकालना, दही जमाना, यही उनका जीवन था। जिंदगी सिंपल थी, जिंदगी सुंदर थी। फिर आए कृष्ण, उनकी बंसी की आवाज, उनकी मुस्कान का जादू। गोपियां बिल्कुल मुग्ध हो गईं। उनके दिल में एक नया एहसास जागा, प्रेम, भक्ति, समर्पण। कृष्ण के बिना दिन अधूरा लगता था। उनकी याद में आंसू बहते थे। हर पल बस एक ही आस, कृष्ण से मिलना, उनकी बंसी की धुन सुनना। उनके प्यार में कोई स्वार्थ नहीं था, बस प्योर भक्ति थी। एक रात, पूर्णिमा की रात, कृष्ण ने बंसी बजाई। हर धुन में प्यार का बुलावा था। गोपियां सब कुछ भूल गईं, पति, परिवार, सब कुछ पीछे छूट गया। बस कृष्ण की आवाज सुनाई दे रही थी। Section 5. The Magical Night. The beginning of the Ras Leela. It was a night unlike any other, where the moon shone brighter, casting a mystical glow over the forest of Vrindavan. The air was filled with an enchanting energy, as if the very essence of the universe was converging in this sacred place. Udaudiyain, jungle mein. The gopis, adorned in their vibrant traditional attire, ran through the forest with hearts full of anticipation and joy. Their anklets jingled with every step, creating a symphony that resonated with the rhythm of the night. They were drawn by an irresistible force, a call that transcended the physical realm. Jahan Krishna khade the, muskurate hue. Ras Leela shuru hui. There, in the heart of the forest, stood Krishna, his divine presence radiating a serene and captivating aura. His smile was like the dawn breaking through the night, filling the gopis with an indescribable bliss. The Ras Leela, the divine dance of love and devotion, was about to begin. Dance or music ka adbhut sangam. The air was soon filled with the melodious tunes of flutes and the rhythmic beats of drums. The gopis and Krishna moved in perfect harmony, their dance a beautiful amalgamation of grace and devotion. Each step, each twirl was a testament to their unwavering love and surrender to the divine. Her gopi ke saath, Krishna nach rahe the. Krishna danced with each gopi, making them feel as if they were the center of his universe. His movements were fluid and mesmerizing, a divine play that transcended the boundaries of the physical world. The gopis, in turn, danced with abandon, their souls intertwined with Krishna's in a celestial embrace. Har koi khud ko Krishna ke saath pa raha tha. The forest was alive with the energy of the Ras Leela. Every participant felt a deep connection with Krishna, as if they were dancing with the divine himself. The joy and bliss that permeated the air were palpable, a testament to the power of love and devotion. The Ras Leela was not just a dance. It was a transcendental experience, a moment where the divine and the mortal became one. Section 6. Dance of Devotion. The Gopis surrender. In the serene and mystical land of Vrindavan, the Gopis, the devoted cowherd maidens, found their ultimate joy in the divine presence of Lord Krishna. Their hearts, filled with unending love and devotion, led them to a state of complete surrender. Gopiyon ka dance, bhakti ka dance tha, pyar ka dance tha. Their dance was not just a mere physical movement, it was an expression of their deepest emotions, a manifestation of their unwavering devotion and love for Krishna. Each step they took, each twirl they made, was a testament to their spiritual connection with the divine. उनके हर भाव में कृष्ण के प्रति समर्पण था. In every gesture, in every graceful movement, the gopis conveyed their complete surrender to Krishna. Their eyes sparkled with the light of divine love, and their faces glowed with the joy of being in the presence of their beloved Lord. अहंकार खत्म हो गया था, बस प्यार बचा था, शुद्ध और दिव्य प्रेम. Ego had dissolved, leaving only pure, unadulterated love. The gopis' dance was a celebration of this divine love, a love that transcended the material world and touched the realms of the spiritual. It was a dance of unity, where the individual selves of the gopis merged into the universal self of Krishna, creating a symphony of divine harmony. The Ras Leela, as this dance is known, is a timeless reminder of the power of devotion and the beauty of surrender. It teaches us that true love is selfless, pure, and eternal, and that in surrendering to the divine, we find our true selves. Section 7. Krishna's Love, the Embrace of the Divine. In the serene and lush landscapes of Vrindavan, the divine play of Krishna with the gopis unfolded, a spectacle of pure love and devotion. Krishna, with his enchanting flute, drew the gopis towards him, their hearts brimming with unspoken love and reverence. Krishna ने भी उनके प्यार को अपना लिया, उन्हें दिव्य आनंद दिया. The gopis, in their simple yet profound devotion, found themselves embraced by Krishna, their souls intertwined in a dance of divine joy. Each moment spent with Krishna was a testament to their unwavering faith and love, a bond that transcended the earthly realm. Us rat, we sab ek ho gaye the. Under the moonlit sky, the gopis and Krishna danced in perfect harmony, their movements a reflection of the cosmic rhythm. The night was filled with the melodies of Krishna's flute, a symphony that resonated with the very essence of the universe. प्यार और भक्ति के बंधन में बंधे हुए. In that divine embrace, the gopis felt a sense of completeness, their hearts and souls bound by the threads of love and devotion. It was a union that spoke of eternal love, a connection that defied the boundaries of time and space. Ye Ras Leela ek alaukik ghatna thi. The Ras Leela, a celestial event, was not just a dance, but a divine celebration of love and devotion. It was a moment where the mortal met the divine, where the gopis experienced the ultimate bliss of being one with Krishna, their beloved deity. Section 8. The Significance of Ras Leela. A metaphorical representation. रास लीला सिर्फ एक कहानी नहीं है, यह तो एक निशानी है, आत्मा और परमात्मा के मिलन की. गोपियां हमारी आत्मा है, कृष्ण परमात्मा है. रास लीला उस मिलन का रास्ता दिखाती है. Section 9. Conclusion. The timeless message of love and devotion. प्यार और भक्ति का रास्ता जो हमें परमात्मा से जोड़ता है. यह रास लीला की सीख है, यह कृष्ण का संदेश है.